well. They will all be putting out their expectations in the blind. First ball. It's played away towards that square leg. Single will be on. First runs on the board. All right, hang on. Is that allowed? Is that allowed? It's the out that's been given in. The bowler was in contention. All right, that's way outside the crease. Phula Soren said play. And she, the moment she saw the non-striker not inside the crease, she inflicts the run out. Deepika again down the leg side. There is shot, fine. Throw comes in. Can that be a run out? Yes, it is a run out.
The bullseye, and the reward is out there for the taking. Look at that. Another wayward delivery. There was good connection. Don't forget that. But nice, quick pick up and throw. And good collection, figuratively alike.
Wow, they all appeal. And the finger goes up.
In her opening over. This looked plumb, I tell you. Touch and go.
Batting for Nari Shakti.
Phula Soren comes into the attack once again to continue her second over. Mix up, run out and gone. Another run out.
Have been so far. You have every reason to rejoice. A throw like that. Look at that. Yet another great exemplary specimen of good fielding. Sharp throw. And look at Parvati waiting for that collection.
That's in the gap. That's running away towards deep mid-wicket. Ganga Kadam with the chase. Can she pull it down? No. Rani, the captain of Sri Lanka, they'll have to put up a big partnership together because... Ball gone! Oh my God! Now that is what I was trying to say. Jamna Rani to do. Oh, again, Parvati and also Aneka Thakur, everybody. Nipuni, she's walking back with the runner. You think this will be the first maiden wicket over? Run out is it? Ganga Kadam running in, run out! I think that is close. The runner who came along, even she beats Phula Soren with the ball. Ganga Kadam, watch that. Can you believe this? Mahabir coming in, finger goes up, end of the over as well. Gets it right. But straight to Phula Soren. Will there be another run out? Oh, hang on. Oh my God.
And the batter has to go back.
Nisha. Hitting her outside the line of leg stump. No pro. Oh, hang on. The finger goes up. Unlucky there, I should say. This Anayake.
School Barakamba. And Jamuna back in operation. Good strike there from the batter. And run out opportunity. And it's going to be curtains. Lessons to take back home today. And I'm sure they will look to implement them. Oh, run out opportunity. Ganga Kadam finishes it off in style.
First match of the SBI T20 Women's World Cup for the blind. We'll come back soon with the next inning. Bilaterals. And delay the inevitable as long as possible. Deepika, first ball, good timing. That's in the gap. And a boundary here. Deepika. It's not even the actual mid-wicket or that square leg. Now it's like an in-between thing. Because most of the balls go there. And now see, it's that open space. Boundary. Driven in the gap. Through covers. And boundary number 2. Sandhya. Nothing wrong with her as of now. On the stumps, she picks it. Boundary again. Big shot again. That's in the gap. Is that another one?
Team looking to finish it off in style.
Yes, they do again. Sonisha. Boundary here.
The final score 43 for no loss, and the result India win by 10 wickets.